Tonight, airport police respond to two passengers denied boarding at Spirit Airlines. One walks away in seconds, the other ends up on the floor. Rachel explains her situation. Family member died today, stranded since Friday, gave attitudes to staff, lost her flight, a person in crisis. Officers are trained to recognize that. The other passenger, Bruce, hears the same news. His response, "I'll fly with another airline. Gone. No drama." Remember that contrast. Rachel can't leave tomorrow. Officers see a solution. Rachel sees an impossibility. That gap is where this falls apart.
She does not have a flight tonight with Spirit, but she will be allowed to rebook. I don't know where this fellow went, but
he's right there at the counter.
Not allowed to fly with Spirit again.
Oh, he's put on the no-fly list.
So two?
Yes.
We can talk to him.
Is she done?
Oh, I thought it was him.
Both.
Oh, both of them. Oh, okay. She's done too?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Too much to drink as well, or?
I didn't even get that far.
Is he flying? Is he flying?
Hello?
Is he flying?
I don't know. He's supposed to be able to
No, we were told that somebody told. Correct.
Oh, I didn't know.
I would talk to somebody before you do anything with that, because.
No, she didn't tell me anything.
Okay, apparently he's boarding.
Okay.
Now I'm confused.
Is that hers?
Yes, I'm assuming so. Rachel, don't lose that.
I'm sorry, listen. I paid for this.
I know. Your quarrels with Spirit.
I had a family member die today. I'm just so frustrated. I've been dealing with delays since Friday.
What, listen, hey.
I don't know. I give him an attitude and he canceled my
Take a breath.
flight.
Take a breath. Take a breath. Take a breath.
I just need to get home.
Okay, why are they, what are they?
I'm frustrated. I gave him an attitude.
Okay.
I'm just, I don't know what else to say. I'm frustrated. I'm going to go home.
Excuse me, what's
It's supposed to be at 10:25, so it's delayed.
What about the tie-dye guy? He's on the no-fly list?
Yeah, he's on.
Is she on the no-fly list?
No, she's leaving tomorrow.
Okay, got it. Come on out this way, boss. Come out this way. Really?
Yes, sir.
You've been put on the no-fly list, therefore you don't have a ticket and you can't fly with Spirit, so come out this way.
Okay, well then I will leave this airport and I'll fly with a different airline.
Awesome.
Thank you.
He's leaving. She's rebooked for tomorrow.
They're not going to let you fly on this flight, is what they're telling you, correct?
Why though?
I don't know.
I can't leave tomorrow.
Well, you're not leaving with Spirit tonight. I don't know what else to tell you.
Why are you guys being so insensitive?
We're not being insensitive. We're just telling you what they're saying.
I'm sorry. I didn't even say nothing
It's not
to him.
between us.
Okay, but can you talk to him?
About what?
I don't know.
You don't know either. I cannot do anything. Spirit's not going to let you fly.
I think this guy just dipped into the bar.
Is he gone? Is he not flying?
They put him on the no-fly list.
I don't understand.
They rebooked you for tomorrow. What don't you understand about that? Okay, you are not flying today.
Why? I paid for this flight. How? I paid for the flight.
If you keep this up, you're not going to be flying out here tomorrow.
Ma'am, do not walk over there.
Rachel, we're done.
All right, you're not going to make things better. Come on up over here in front of it.
You're not flying tonight.
That's all you got to do.
You're not listening, bro.
But what's going to happen is if you keep this up, you're not going to fly out of here, period. What time is your flight tomorrow?
I can check for it. Let me see your boarding pass or your passport.
Like, how do you have this job and you don't have customer service to be able to handle somebody who's frustrated? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it.
Rachel,
I don't get it,
listen
though.
to me.
She moves toward the gate. Officers repeat commands, but no one clearly explains the legal consequence of continuing, a required step under any modern de-escalation policy. First physical contact at 3:46. Graham versus Connor now applies. Was the offense serious? Was she a threat? Was she fleeing? No weapon. No prior assault. The force clock starts here.
Scoot back. There you go.
Here we go.
When he calm down, you're gonna make this couple more units in the cage car.
You good? Got some redness right here. She hit me in the head. Hit me in the head. Huh? She hit me. Are you good? Yeah.
You good? You can't hit the police like that.
Roll on her side.
We're gonna sit you up.
Roll over your side.
We're gonna sit you up. Kick your legs out. I need you to kick your legs out. We can't let you go now. Relax. Don't do that.
Is she ever gonna fly with Spirit again?
What happened to her passport?
I have no clue.
Oh, she's got it. Never mind.
Just sit up. Just stay seated. Hey, did you get her hitting him? Did you get her hitting him? I'm just wondering.
Hey, let it be.
No, I was just wondering.
Let it be. People just do their own thing.
Oh, that'd be cool. I'm just wondering. We're all recording. I was just asking. Stop. Relax. You're not making it any better. Just sit up.
Relax.
As long as you're not flopping over.
It's literally on her side.
As long as she's on her side.
You want to lay on your side? Is that better for you?
We don't want you to asphyxiate yourself.
That's fine. She's fine.
I'm just being sure. Well, as long as she's crying. Did any of you guys get hit?
As soon as she did that, I stepped back.
Okay.
We have a car or no?
Nothing was coming. Rachel, are you injured? Okay, do you need a medical assistance at all? Okay, relax. There's no need to kick. There's no need to kick me. Okay, now you want to sit up.
No.
We're just gonna leave you right there. We don't want you kicking anybody else.
You just caught another charge for that for no reason. I know. Relax. I'm not letting you go. You're going
All
to
you
jail.
gotta do is relax.
Stop.
Resisting. Listen to me. If you kick somebody again, you will be sprayed. I will spray you. You understand? No, ma'am. You already kicked. You already battered.
Where the f*** am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go?
You already kicked me.
Okay,
I
so
need you
where
to
am I
relax.
gonna go? You f***ing scared? Move!
Relax.
Better be. She's staying out here. Staying out here.
That's all you have to do.
Where am I gonna go? Okay, so where am I gonna go? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the f*** away from me.
That's what we're doing until we get a car here.
I literally told you guys my f***ing situation, and all you motherfuckers are insensitive as f*** because a motherfucker here doesn't know how to do customer service. The same shit I f***ing do in Miami. Get the f*** off of me.
Nope.
All you do is wear a f***ing suit, and you think you're good at it. While I'm here on the ground just trying to make it home because my family died, and it's such a f***ing big deal to you guys. And you're f***ing hurting me. You think it's funny?
You're hurting yourself. I'm not putting any pressure on you. You're
Off of me. Where am I gonna go with
It's not
handcuffs?
working.
Dad, all these motherfuckers are laughing because you guys are gonna get kicked out of it.
Then we have to get a wheelchair and everything because we ain't gonna.
Yeah.
You can't breathe. Get the f*** off of me! I can't breathe. Just get off of me.
Stop.
Just get off of
Stop.
me.
Stop.
Just get off of me. Get off of me.
Stop.
Just get off of
Stop.
me. What
What's
the
up, bro?
fuck do you get off
Stop.
of me?
Stop.
Kicking.
Okay, so
Stop
get off of me.
kicking. I will
So
spray
get
you.
off of me. So what if
Stop.
you spray me in jail? I can't move.
Rachel is taken to the floor. Minutes pass. She's kicking, crying, asking, where am I going to go? The kicking is chargeable. Assault on an officer. But courts always ask, was the kicking a cause or a consequence of the force used? At 7:44, I can't breathe. That phrase requires an immediate stop and reassessment under current policy. Instead, an officer says, so what if I just spray you and kill you on camera? That statement alone is what civil rights lawyers build cases around. The spray is never deployed, but threatening it on an already pinned subject is a use of force violation in most jurisdictions. Pepper spray controls. It does not punish.
Sit over.
He's like, there you go. You got a rip hobble on you? Never mind. That's the thing that I'll explain later.
Not going in.
Rachel, we're gonna get you up and walk and put you in this chair.
Okay, just get my stuff.
You are not going to kick anybody. I will spray you if you do. If you spatter,
me if you want. Just get my stuff. Just get my stuff.
We're gonna get you over here into this chair.
Spray me if you want.
Okay?
Just get my stuff.
I need you to stand up.
Okay, look, my stuff is right there.
Okay,
Just
sit
get my
up.
stuff.
Sit up.
Roll over to your side.
Roll over. Come on.
Roll over to your side.
Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Let's go.
No, sit up. Roll to your right. Roll to your right. Roll to your right.
Pull her right.
We don't roll to your right.
Pull that one forward this way.
Pull that right leg.
Roll to your right.
Pull it that way.
There you go. You're gonna tuck that leg and you're gonna get up on three.
All right, ready?
Okay?
1, 2, 3.
There you go. All right, have a seat in the chair, please. Stop.
Okay, but let me go. What the
Stop.
fuck?
Stop.
Hold me like that for?
Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Okay, so
You're not
let me
making
go.
it any better.
Just let me
Make it-
go.
you
Okay,
sit
you
down in
don't
the
have to
chair. Sit
hold me like that.
Sit down in the chair.
Okay, let me go. Just grab my
We
stuff.
don't want. We'll grab your stuff. Sit down.
Guys,
Put your feet
shit.
down.
I'll take off
Your feet down.
Okay, let me go. You're hurting my wrist. Let me
Stop. You're acting like a child right now. Let's
I
go.
don't care. Just let me go. You guys.
We're taking you right now.
So let me go. We have to grab me with the chair. Oh my god, bro. You guys. What's our academy for to hold somebody, bro? So. You guys suck. You just let me go. You're hurting my wrist. Just let me go.
Stop.
I can't go nowhere. Just let me go. You're hurting my wrist. Just let me go. I gotta just say to my face. Let me go. You f***ing laughing?
Actually sneeze. Stop.
Okay, you actually sneeze just now, bro. Let me accommodate myself, bro. Now I'm about to shake your job too f***ing serious, dog. Let me go. You're already holding the f***ing chair.
Stop.
You're f***ing hurting my wrist, bro. You
That's the
can't
handcuffs
care
hurting your wrist.
Okay, so I'm asking you to let me go.
Stop.
Where am I gonna go? Where am I gonna go?
Stop. Stay seated.
Stay seated, please.
If you don't calm down,
Okay, it just hurts so
you won't have to hold
bad.
on to you.
I don't have that on now.
There's the outside there.
God, there's no way I can go.
Not gonna happen.
Let's go.
All right, got it. Hit that other door. There you go. This is what's gonna happen. You're gonna stand up and you're gonna sit backwards into there. You're not gonna kick anybody. You understand? Okay. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Go ahead and stand up. Go ahead and stand up. All right, cool. Turn around. Turn around. Hey, who searched her? She hasn't been. Stand up. Lean against the car. Spread your feet.
Do you have anything else on you, Rachel, besides your phone? I know.
I didn't do shit wrong. I'm sorry.
Turn around. You're gonna sit butt first.
Okay, just be gentle.
I am being gentle.
They take 3 people for it.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car.
Sit back. Back up. Back steps. Back steps. Butt on the seat. Now scoot all the way in. Rotate your legs in. Scoot all the way in.
At 9 o'clock, officers finally de-escalate position, roll her up, seat her, correct move, but then continued wrist restraint on a seated, surrounded woman with no exit, the weakest justification of the entire encounter. Formal arrest, no Miranda advisement on camera, pat-down search conducted, transport completed without additional force. Footage ends. So what does this incident teach us? Lesson 1. De-escalation requires information. Rachel told the officers exactly what was wrong. That information was available. It was not used effectively. Lesson 2. Bruce showed the exit. When a subject is given clear, calm options, most people take them. Rachel was never given that. Same clarity. Lesson 3. Prone restraint has a time limit. Extended floor restraint of a non-armed, non-fleeing subject creates medical risk and legal liability. Get them upright. Lesson 4, what you say on camera is evidence. The I can't breathe moment, the spray threat, all of it is preserved. Officers must treat every word as court testimony. Lesson 5, kicking officers is a crime regardless of context. Rachel's grief was real. Her frustration was understandable. But the moment she kicked, she handed officers a new charge and weakened any excessive force claims she might have had. Bottom line, one person in this terminal read the room, made a calm decision, and went home. One did not. The law does. Not grade on emotion. It grades on behavior. Thank you for watching 48 Hours Solves Cases. Subscribe for more police interaction breakdowns. Drop your questions in the comments below.